The first thing you notice is that this feels like a real motorcycle, not an overpowered mountain bike. The forged aluminum frame is incredibly stiff and looks like it was built to take a serious beating. At 85 kilograms or 187 pounds, it's not light, but that weight is carried very low and centered. The battery integration is clean. It's a massive 74-volt, 55-amp-hour pack that dominates the center of the frame, but it's well protected. You can charge it in the bike, or you can haul it out to charge inside. Be warned, that battery is heavy, so most of my charging happened with it in place. For its price, the overall build quality, the welds, and the finish feel premium. It feels more solid than many of its gas-powered competitors in that price range.